This black graphite replacement taper blade can be used with any FX870 or FX880 clipper. Use it for an ultra-precise, clean cut. It's made from black graphite and can fit all 2-hole blade systems. This fade blade has a flat elongated cutting surface that supports a vertical cutting motion for the perfect fade. When the blade on your BaBylissPRO FX870 or FX880 is dull, change it out with this replacement fade blade. Black graphite. Fits FX870G, GoldFX clipper. Fits FX870RG, RoseFX clipper. Fits FXF880. Fits all 2-hole blade systems. Top reviews from the United States. It works great. I seen a lot of bad reviews for the replacement blades for the babyliss clippers. I just got my graphite replacement and it's top notch, fits perfect, even quieter than original blade. Highly recommend getting the graphite replacement hands down.